never sip. She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. So what if it's not reciprocated? I told her don't rush, girl, don't you rush.
Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the beautiful aesthetic I just showed you guys. Hi guys. Yeah guys, this is start up a new vlog. I forgot to start this vlog earlier when I was coming, but you guys already know I went into the car and on my way here, and now I'm here. I came a bit early, but it's okay. I'm waiting for my turn to be attended to. Yes, just came quite a bit early, but it's okay. I told you guys already, here's the dermatologist place. I already had something, but it didn't go as planned, so she wanted to see it. She's not charging me for this because she has already done something, but it didn't give what was supposed to be given. That's the skin tag. Yeah, it's not her fault because she was trying to be careful, because the previous one was done in a very bad way. So she was trying to be careful not to repeat the mistake that the other people did, because this is a different dermatologist. So I'm here, but I'm not paying for today. So that is it guys. I don't know if it will be possible to show you guys the process when I'm inside, because I wouldn't have anybody to hold my phone. I don't have anywhere to stand it. But if it's possible to show a bit of what is being done to me, I'll show. But if it's not possible, I don't know. But I would love to show you guys. That's the reason for this video, right? I would really love to show you guys. Yes, I don't know, my face is looking quite okay here, maybe because of the quality of my phone camera, because I've been experiencing so many things on my face. To be quite sincere, yeah, to be quite sincere, products that are recommended for me are quite expensive. I must say, yes, quite expensive. Can I afford them? Yes, but I need the money for something else. So I can equally say I can't afford it, right? Because when I need the money for something else, why should I use and buy that? Yes, so I can use and buy that. Maybe when I have extra, I can buy that. Trust me, it's expensive. I don't want to call the price, but it's expensive. But I know even if I don't have it now, I can still have it later. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos on my channel so far. I really have tried to be as consistent as possible. Someone was asking me, I post a video every day. How am I able to do that? I would say it's simple. I would say it's not simple, because the real truth about it is, if you want to be consistent, then you have to have your writing pad and your notebook. Make notes like every month, from the 1st to 31st of the month, depending on the month. Some months are 30, some months are 31st, are 31. So depending on the month, just make sure you have your video ideas down already. Like now, we're in November. Today is November 25th, but I have video ideas down already in my notepad for December, from 1st to 31st of December. I have video ideas down and planned already. Was it able to, to find out these topics? No, but you have to. Your brain has to keep working, and in between, anytime your brain works, just put it down on a writing so you don't forget. So sorry for this thing shaking, because I'm using my hand to hold it and it's paining me, so that's why sometimes it shakes. And this thing I'm about to tell you now, I asked somebody, can you imagine? The person told me I have to pay. I was asking some girl like that. I like how consistent you are, kind of motivating her, at the same time trying to get information from her. And she sent me a message and told me I have to pay. I'm like, girl, this is just a very simple information. What am I paying for? I already have the idea. I just wanted you to say it. Like, that thing that somebody says something, it kind of encourages you more. I didn't even reply her message, and later I saw a video that she posted. I'm subscribed to her, but I didn't unsubscribe because subscription is free. So I just left it for her there. And I saw a video she did. In between the video, she started explaining how consistent and how she's able to be consistent. I'm like, you would have waited now, so I'll pay you. I beg you, let me tell you guys. If like now, my December videos are ready, right? My December titles are ready. So what I just need to do is to just come. Any day I need to post videos, what I just do is I just do my videos together, do all the videos together, like everything together. I'll just do the whole videos together on the particular day. I could change clothes. I may be changing clothes. I may not change clothes. I might just wear a particular clothes. It does not matter. The most important thing is that I'm putting out quality content that you guys need. So I just shoot all the whole videos together, then start to post it out that week. And most times, because I have kids and I'm busy, I schedule the posting so that the videos start going out. Is it easy? No. Is it easy to edit? No. Are all these things easy? No, but I do them because I enjoy to do it. Yeah, the growth is slow, but it's okay. So guys, I'm ranting too much. I'll see you guys when I'm inside with dermatologist. That is if it's going to be possible. But if it's not possible, I'll see you guys when I'm out, and I'll show you guys how it went, like what I have and everything. Stay tuned. So guys, lucky enough, I was able to use my camera here. The what is it called? The dermatologist lady was so nice. So guys, this SkinTag is actually what most women have. Some people have it because of overweight and stuff like that, but I've seen slim people have it also. But mine came as a result of pregnancy. I never had it before. Nobody in my family has it at all. Okay, when I see this on people's skin, I don't know, I'm not just happy. I'm like, why did you leave it there? But some people are not bothered. Some people call it beauty SkinTag. Some people say they like it, they actually made their skin beautiful. But I have a different opinion about it. I didn't just like it, guys. I didn't just like it. Okay, I didn't just like it. It was one of the turn-offs I had after I had my first baby. So my mom told me that it was going to disappear real soon. And before I knew it, I was pregnant again, combined together with the second one. So mine came as a result of pregnancy and I wasn't buying it. And I said I must remove it no matter what it costs. Like, you know that thing that happens to you that you're ready to use your last card to get rid of, just to get rid of it because the sight of it makes you angry. Like, it's very tiny all over my chest, few on my face. That's just that kind of thing. And the way this thing grows is just very, very scary. Though we have like two different types of removing this tag. We have the freezing method, the ones you cut them out, the one you burn them out. But actually, I use the laser method. A bit of burning, but it's this one, I think this one surpasses them because it doesn't come back under the same place again. Like, it's better. But the challenges I had before I started going on this journey was I really researched on the dermatologist to go because it was very difficult for me to get an African dermatologist who can actually treat an African skin. But finally I met this lady. Funny enough, she was trying this on African skin for the very first time, so she doesn't know how it's going to turn out. So what we just did is that we had few we got rid of, and we had some I had to wait for, like, let's say another 4 weeks, so we see how that turned out before we can actually remove everything entirely. So we turned out very nice. She was still looking at it and she was like, oh, she doesn't think this thing is nice. I'm like, it's okay. Mine is that I don't want to use this my eye to see it again on my skin, on my neck, on my chest, anywhere. I don't want to see it again. I know other people might say it's not very visible when you look at me, so why am I bothered? But I'm seeing my skin. I'm the one that have my bath. I'm the one that see my face on the mirror. So I'm the one that see my skin on the mirror. I know what I'm seeing, and I don't like it. That's just the fact. We just have different people and different mindsets. We have things that turn us off, and this particular one is one of the things that turns me off. I don't want it on my skin. Another person might want it on their skin. Some people say it's beauty. Some people say it's actually sexy. Good for them. I don't have anything against them, okay? They can have it. But me, I cannot. I actually dread this thing more than pimples and spots. That is to tell you how much I dread it. So I dreaded it, so whatever. So thank God we got it removed, we got it rid of, okay? It costs some money, which is what I'm not about to start talking here, what it costs and everything, but it actually cost some money. But I'm happy I got satisfied because I was like, why would after pregnancy give me this? What did I do? I was just angry with everything. I was angry with my skin. I was angry with the way it turned out. And apparently when I finished giving birth, I added some weight. Plus the weight I added, plus this particular one, I'm like, why am I just having all these things? Why did I add so much weight? Why am I having skin that? Why, you know? So I just needed something to just get me at peace and to get me back on track, okay? And I felt this was just what I'm going to do for myself to just make me feel okay. But I think this is what just the obvious thing I had after pregnancy, lucky enough. Some people used to have large legs, different other things, but this was what I had. I didn't think I had any other one. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm going to give you guys an update soon. Okay, so do make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Share this video and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.